Dear students, in the previous video, we have discussed about the relationship between zeros and the coefficients of linear and quadratic polynomial. Today we will discuss the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of cubic polynomial. Relationship between zeros and the coefficients of cubic polynomial. Let us consider a cubic polynomial px that is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Now it is the degree of 3 polynomial, so it is a cubic polynomial and it has 3 zeros: alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma. Sum of 3 zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to minus b upon a, that is equal to minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Now alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time, that is equal to c upon a, that is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. Now third relation is the product of all the 3 zeros, alpha, beta, gamma, that is equal to minus d upon a. D is constant, so minus constant upon coefficient of x cube. So these are the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of cubic polynomial. Now let us take an example. Verify that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial px, that is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3, and then verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. अब आपको 3 zeros गिवन है क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल के. अब आपको ये गिवन पोलिनोमियल है, इसको आपने किससे कंपेयर करना है? ax क्यूब. क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल क्या आपकी? px दैट इज इक्वल टू 3x क्यूब माइनस 5x स्क्वायर माइनस 11x माइनस 3. अब आपको क्या करना है कि जो 3 माइनस 1 और माइनस 3, ये आपको ये वेरीफाई करना है कि इस पोलिनोमियल के जीरोस है या नहीं. सो है यू हैव टू पुट द 3 इन दिस गिवन पोलिनोमियल. p3 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 क्यूब माइनस 5 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 11 इंटू 3 माइनस 3. 3 into 27 minus 45 minus 33 minus 3, 81. Add these, 81, 0. तो आपके पास P3 that is equal to 0. It means that when the polynomial becomes 0, it means that 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. तो आपका ये जो ज़ीरो है वो वेरीफाई हो गया. सेकेंड इज -1. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स दैट इज इक्वल टू -1. p -1 that is equal to 3 minus 1 cube minus 5 minus 1 square minus 11 minus 1 minus 3. Now solve this. 3 into -1 minus 5 into 1 plus 11 minus 3 minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3. अब 5 plus 3 8 plus 3 11 minus 11 plus 11 that is also equal to 0. It means that -1 is also the 0 of the given polynomial, hence verify. Third है p minus 1 by 3. Put the third value minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 minus 1 by 3 square minus 11 minus 1 by 3 minus 3. Solve this. Minus 1 upon 27 minus 5 1 upon 9 plus 11 upon 3 minus 3. Minus 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 upon 3 minus 3 upon 1. We have to take LCM. LCM is 9 minus 1 minus 5 plus 33 minus 27. Now p minus 1 by 3 that is equal to 33 minus 33 upon 9. 0 upon 9 that is equal to 0. It means that minus 1 by 3 is also the 0 of the given cubic polynomial. Hence all the three zeros 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. First is clear. Now second thing is verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. अभी मैंने आपको तीनों zeros, three type, sum of the zeros, product of the zeros and product of the sum of the product of the zeros taken two at a time, तीनों के बारे में भी बताया है. तो first of all alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of the three zeros. Let three zeros are alpha beta gamma of this given polynomial, alpha beta and gamma. तो sum of the zeros क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस b upon a that is equal to अब coefficient of x square माइनस में coefficient of x square minus 5 and coefficient of x cube 3 that is equal to 5 by 3. Now my 5 by 3 that is equal to sum of the 3 is 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM 3 minus 1. 9 minus 4 upon 3 5 by 3. It means that sum of the three zeros that is also 5 by 3 and sum of three zeros according to their relation that is also 5 by 3. Hence it is verified. Now let us take second relation, sum of product of zeros taken two at a time, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Three zeros are 3 minus 1 minus 3. Put here 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 into 3 minus 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Take LCM 3 minus 9 plus 1 minus 3 minus 12 plus 1 minus 11 upon, that is equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. Relation is product of the zeros alpha, beta, gamma, that is equal to 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3, that is equal to minus minus plus 3 cancel, that is equal to plus 1. Now that is equal to minus into minus 1, that is equal to माइनस कांस्टेंट. अब आपके वो पास क्या है माइनस 3 और 3, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं माइनस 3 अपॉन 3. अब माइनस 1 दैट कैन बी रिटन एज माइनस कॉमन माइनस 3 अपॉन 3, तो ये 1 बन गया. तो दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस कांस्टेंट अपॉन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x cube. So the relation is verified. So in this example we see that the three zeros are given to the given polynomial, so and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient.